one downfall to all the
Yeah,
powder they
no,
got.
when you think about the good news too, there is not only having somebody nearby, but that spot is not like, you're not like way off mountain. And that's why they
Right.
tell
Accessible
you,
there.
for a
Someone's
number
there.
of reasons, don't ski, way off
the
mountain by
side.
yourself, because someone
Yeah.
might not go by and see you. Yeah, you don't think about that. I got confirmed, by the way, from Sugarloaf that they did get 40% of their seasonal snowfall in those
Wow.
3-day periods.
Just in
there.
that
Wow.
window.
Just that.
Way to end the season.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and they're starting to, I think it was Sunday River was blowing snow this morning too. They want.
So they're just
Still cold enough.
extending
Yeah,
it as
yeah.
much as they can.
I commented seeing May, I guess. I mean, if you're going to blow it on top of this. We do have a couple of rain showers out there today, nothing too significant. We're going to talk about just a little coating of ice that could develop into the mountains later this evening as all this light moisture moves its way inland. Right now, those temperatures are too warm. In fact, it's warmer in the higher terrain than it is in the lower terrain. We call that a temperature inversion. Temperature usually gets colder as you get higher. In this case, it's getting warmer. That'll change eventually. We do have winter weather advisory in effect. As I mentioned, in my opinion, and I think the National Weather Service would probably agree, that this is a little bit of a reaction to what happened on Saturday night, where we got a bit caught flat-footed. I do not think it'll be anything like that here. Just a coating of ice is possible tonight in the shaded purple area. So you run the models forward here. Notoriously, models like to overdo ice accretion, something we're going to talk more about here in a few minutes, I believe, in a different segment. But even they don't have any significant ice accretion tonight, just a few spots where we could see a coating or so. So after that, after we see the brief coating, the rest of us will deal with rain showers this evening. Not particularly cold, staying mid-30s or so. That's where we're going to kind of live at. Tomorrow we're in the low 40s. A lot of clouds, isolated showers becoming more prevalent in the afternoon and turning, I believe, in the late afternoon, early evening, more into legitimate rain. And then the question is going to be, this front right here, where does it stall out? Most models have at least the coast getting rain through much of the day on Thursday, but other models push it farther to the north and west. And so you can see here, Thursday, the rain is heaviest along the coast, might just be cloudy into the mountains through Thursday afternoon, but that rain sticks around and actually kind of spins around back in on Friday into Saturday and gives down East Maine a little bit of a light mixture to start Saturday morning. So this front is kind of around for a long period of time. The reason that might matter is if it stalls in the right spot. You can see just offshore here, there's 2.5 to 4.5 inches of rain to be had. So as it stands, an inch or two of rain is okay. That's the European model, and this is the GFS model, but we just have to watch this red area and make sure it doesn't back its way into the state, because we would have some flooding concerns there Thursday into Friday morning. Mix over down East Maine on Saturday morning. Most of us are in good shape by the middle of the day. It's windy though. I think Easter Sunday is the better of the two weekend days, mid to upper 40s. Could pop a 50 over southern Maine if we get lucky. Looks good on Monday. Watching Tuesday night, that could be another mixture or perhaps some snow for Tuesday night. We are getting to the time of year. It is certainly not impossible to snow during the day. It gets harder. So we're getting to the time of year where the timing of storms will be more and more important to what they end up being.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Keith.